This technology isn't just being used to track down enemy aircraft, it's also being used to predict enemy troop movements. According to a recent study published in the Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research, machine learning algorithms can be trained on large datasets of satellite imagery and sensor data to identify patterns that would otherwise go unnoticed by human analysts. One such example is the Israeli military's use of AI-powered predictive maintenance for their Apache helicopters. By applying machine learning algorithms to sensor data from these aircraft, the Israelis have been able to predict when a helicopter is likely to experience mechanical failure, allowing them to schedule routine maintenance and reduce downtime. But what happens when this technology starts being used in conjunction with other military systems? The answer lies in the emerging field of cyber-enabled warfare. According to General Mark Milley, the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, machine learning algorithms will play a critical role in identifying and disrupting enemy cyber operations by 2025. The implications are staggering. Imagine being able to predict with near certainty where an enemy cyber attack is going to occur, before it even happens. This isn't just about defending against hackers, it's about gaining a strategic advantage over the enemy itself. As we hurtle towards this future, one thing is clear: machine learning is changing everything. And what comes next? Only time will tell.